Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, can I even get out? What the heck? I can't even get out my screen. Well, anyways, that just happened. But welcome back to another video of Minecraft. Yes, I do have a couple of stuff. I do have a magic cup. I'll show you that right now. I think, yep. So I've been doing a little bit of grinding. I haven't been doing such what Pokemon grinding, like Pixelmon grinding. As you can see, my levels are the same as last time, but we do still have that lucky block from last time. So please give me the luck that I wanted. Also, I lost one of my master balls, so that kind of sucked. But a level 6 skitty? That's not even good. Anyway, so we're in this mesa biome. I don't know what spawns here whatsoever. So I know rock types and ground types spawn here. What I've read, I think Metagrosses spawn here. So that's my aim, to find a Metagross. Because if I could find a Metagross, what are you? Level 34. Wait, hang on. When does this guy evolve? Right. On evolution. Level 42. It evolves into a Rye. Not really, but I'll just get the Magikarp out. So Magikarp's pretty terrible, so I've got new moves from every Pokemon, because I found a move relearner somewhere. And yeah, I've got all of these good moves now, so yeah, I will one-shot him. So, ooh, poison powder. Oh, poison powder's so good. And sleep powder. I have a cheese strat for this kid. Oh, they're, oh my gosh. I need these. Oh no, they battle each other, no. No, are they battling each other? Level 63? Don't die. Actually, I'll get this one. Come here. Oh my gosh. No, Mandibuzz and Antibuzz, don't die. This fight's taking forever. Alright. Yes. No! Come here! No! No. I need one of these flying thingies. I need one. Oh, what level are you? If you're level 40, I'll catch you. Level 34, try. Sorry about that. Oh, my game's glitching. No, I need to get off these things. Oh, there's one just there. What level are you? I need a flying type. Do I even have one? Oh my gosh, yes. My game's glitching, no. I'm surely faster than this thing. Just saying, my game's glitching so bad. Oh, and this is ridiculous. Guys, while that glitch is on, look in the chat. A Hooper spawned in the desert biome. This thing is insanely good. So I need to find this thing in a desert biome. I'm in a desert biome though. Drachi, do you know where it is? No, I don't know where it is though. Ooh. Where is it? Oh! That's it! That's it! That's it! That's it! Legendary Hooper! Oh! Hooper! Come here! Come here, boy! Yes! Okay, level 50 Hooper. Oh no, no. If that was Mandy busting comeback, I'm definitely getting him. Master Ball. Boys. I just literally searched up Mandy Buzz and this thing is insane. My Magikarp's evolving as well? What the heck? A takedown, don't really care. Here we go. The big evolution. So what I just saw my Magikarp's got, oh my gosh, that thing's huge. That thing's insane. So what I've seen that the catch rate is pretty bad, and it's got really good stats. Right, can I ride this thing? Oh, I can! Oh, alright, this thing's not good. Ah! Retrieve it! No! No! Oh! Retrieve it! I nearly just killed myself from that. Oh my gosh, I just nearly killed myself from that. Can those Mandy Buzzes thing come back? I'll cut the recording back on when something comes up. Look at that Hooper. That's ridiculous. Actually, I won't cut the recording yet, because I need a big, like, insane Pokemon that I can fly on. I think, yeah, Flygons, which these things evolve into, or level 21. Trapage evolution. At level 35. You're pretty weak. Ooh. Oh, these things are pretty bad. I'm looking for Milk Tank. Oh, I've heard these things are pretty good. These Nummels, this evolves in level 33 into a Camerupt, but I don't think Camerupts are good though. Oh, my Bulbasaur's evolving. Rage, don't really need. Alright, here's my Bulbasaur evolving into a Ivysaur. 2 evolutions and the legendary Pokemon. Wait, I need to get the thing out. Hang on. On my PC. Oh, what's this thing on it? Wait, it has something on it. A prison bottle. Huh. Wait. G. Huh. That's super weird, though. Like, actually. Alright, Bubbles will come back. What does this thing even do? What level are you, by the way? Oh, you're the one that I saw earlier. Like, come here. Alley switch. Power split. Shared the attack and special attack with trappage. This thing's tanky as well, Alley switch. But it failed. Oh, Phantom attack, that's pretty good. Phantom force. Hooper vanished. Oh. Okay, this thing doesn't really have good attacks though. I'll cut the recording back on if there's something good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button, and yeah, I'll catch this. I've got to go. See ya.